In today's video, I'll show you how to manage your Outlook.com storage limit using OneDrive. You'll learn how to see what's taking up space, clean it safely, and expand your storage when needed. Start by checking your current usage. In Outlook.com, go to Settings, then Accounts, and open Storage. This page shows how much of your mailbox quota is used and which folders, like Inbox, Sent Items, and folders with large attachments, take up the most space. From this page, you can clean up your mailbox by permanently deleting older items from deleted items and junk email. Choose a time frame, such as older than 3, 6, or 12 months. Since this action can't be undone, move anything important before confirming. Clearing these folders regularly frees space fast and improves performance. Next, manage your OneDrive. Open the OneDrive website or app and sort files by size to locate large videos, raw images, zip files, and backups. Delete files you don't need, then empty the OneDrive recycle bin to reclaim the space. Items in the recycle bin still count toward your quota until removed. If storage is still low, you can buy more OneDrive space through the Microsoft Support Upgrades page. Choose the storage amount you need and follow the steps to complete the purchase. Another option is upgrading your Microsoft 365 plan, which comes with a larger OneDrive quota. Make sure you use the same account you use for Outlook.com so the storage applies correctly. If you already have Microsoft 365, you can add more storage without changing plans. With these steps, checking usage, clearing old email, cleaning OneDrive, emptying its recycle bin, and expanding your plan if needed, you'll keep your Outlook.com and OneDrive running smoothly.